Hey, today I want to talk to you about how to be happy. And I know we've talked about being happy before and that it's a choice. So recently I was at the airport waiting on a flight and this man said, "What do you do?" And I said, "I am a life coach." And he said, "Well, what is the key to happiness?" And I said, "It's a choice." And he said, "Oh, that's so cliche." And I understood where he was coming from, and I said, okay, well, here's the thing. What makes you happy? Do you know what makes you happy? Because 9 out of 10 people don't even know what makes them happy. So how can they choose to be happy and focus on the things that make them happy if they don't even know? So I gave him a little exercise to do that I learned a while back, and it was on your truths. Like, what do you see as true already in your life? So you know your name. So if I say my name and I close my eyes and I take a deep breath, so I take 3 deep breaths whenever I'm going to do any kind of exercise like this, and hold it out. I think the count is you're going to suck in for 8, hold it for 7, let it out for 4. So you're going to do that and clear your head, and then you say to yourself your name. Like, I know that my name is Misty, and I can feel my body take a little tiny sway forward. So if I say, I love to play golf, I could definitely feel my body lean back because I don't know how to play golf. I don't know the first thing about golf, and it's not on my bucket list to learn how to play golf. So I can feel my body kind of push, like a little bit of a resistance. So if I said, I would like to travel to England, Ireland, and Scotland, I can feel my body sway forward because that is definitely on my bucket list, or it's a thing that makes me happy when I think about it, and it brings me joy when I start to do the research for it. So that is a little tip that I want to give you on how to choose your happy. And listen, I know that every day you're not going to be happy. If something terrible happens in your world, a little car accident, if one of my dogs was sick, I would not be happy. That would not bring me joy. So I understand that in every moment of every day, you're not going to be able to choose happy. But it's being able to recover from that and move forward as quickly as possible that is going to bring you more happiness and more joy in your life. When I was a little girl and I would get dropped off at my grandmother's house and I would be so upset that my parents were leaving for the weekend, I would start to cry and she would say, "You're allowed to cry and be upset, but you have to go to the cry room." And it was this little room in her apartment that she had, and we would go sit in there and we would come out and we'd say, "Okay, I'm done now. I'm ready to be happy." And we joked about it for years and years and years, and we'd kind of tease her a little bit because she'd say, "Be happy, happy, happy." And I know I've shared that story before, but I think that's one of the reasons why I'm able to put those things behind me so quickly, because I do that. I'll cry and have a bad day. I wasn't having an exceptionally great day today. I could have scrapped the whole thing and been like, we're not going to do any videos today. I'm just going to sit around here and eat chips and feel sorry for myself because I didn't communicate properly with my team, or whatever it is that was bothering me this morning. But I didn't. I sat there, I pouted for a minute, I got myself ready, and I said, okay, it's time to be happy, happy, happy. So that's one of the 2 ways that I choose happiness. The first one is the exercise where I ask myself my truth, and the second one is I give myself the few minutes that I need to not be happy, and then I say, be happy, happy, happy. So what I want you to do is comment down below, hashtag I choose happiness. You can comment right here, I choose happiness, hashtag I choose happiness. You can also go to our Facebook or Instagram and leave us a comment. We want to know what makes you happy. Until tomorrow, happy manifesting.